Good morning, friends, and welcome to Kindergarten Week 5. In today's lesson, we will introduce the letter U, we will talk about the short U sounds, and we will also review how to write the letter U. We will review the concept of compare and contrast. We will listen to an informational text called Zooborns, and we will go over the directions for this week's assignment. Short U makes the sound, like umbrella. So we're going to watch a quick video on different words that have the short U sound.
Short vowel. I like to say this letter every day. I like to say short vowel. G. Bug. Bug. Nut. Nut. Sun. Sun. Hut. Hut. I like to say this letter every day. I like to say short vowel. Bus. Bus. Cup. Cup. G. Rug. Rug. G. Gum. Gum. I like to say this letter every day. I like to say short vowel. I like to say this letter every day. I like to say short vowel. Bug. Nut. Sun. Hut. Bus. Cup. Rug. Gum.
Great, now we're going to talk about how to write the letter U. The first one we're going to talk about is the capital. And you start at that dark blue line, you pull it straight down, and then you make a curve up. To make a lowercase, you start at the dotted line, you go straight down, make a curve, go up to the dotted, and then give it a stick to the red baseline. Nice job. Now we're going to talk about comparing and contrasting. The word compare means how things are alike or the same, and contrast means how they're different. Words that are similar to alike is also, similar, both, to, the same as, in addition, or like. In contrast, we can use the word different, unlike, however, instead, unlike. So you can see right now, right here, we have a Venn diagram. You can see that the Venn diagram is cats. So in our story, the first story, we talked about gray cats. In our second story, we talked about orange cats. They're different colors, but in the middle, we have the things that are the same. And what's the same about them is that they're both cats. Okay. Now we're going to move on to listening to a story called Zooborns. We're going to be listening for different information about these animals. When you're listening to the story, I want you to be thinking about what types of animals are in the story. How are some of these animals the same? How are some of these animals different? And which animal was your favorite?
Hey guys, it's Mrs. Buckman. I really miss you. So today I'm going to be reading you a story called Zooborns, Zoo Babies from Around the World. There are two authors. Andrew Blyman and Chris Eastland. And I want you to look at the cover of this book for a minute. We're going to be learning about zoo babies from around the world. These are true facts about actual animals that were born in a zoo. And I want you to think a minute. Is this book going to be fiction or is it going to be nonfiction? This is a nonfiction book. It's actually informational text. And so we're going to be looking at lots of baby animals and learning about them. And I want you to think, how are these animals alike and how are these animals different? But I also want you thinking, what are the authors telling me about and what aren't they telling me that I want to know more about? So here is the title page. Why do people include title pages in books? What do you think? Here's our first animal. Hello there. I'm Becco, and I'm an Asian elephant. When I grow up, I'll be one of the largest animals in all the land. But these days, I'm happiest rolling around with my big blue ball. They call me Radar Ears, and I'm a fennec fox. My big ears help me hear yummy insects crawling across the land. Listen, did you hear that? My name is Minari, and I'm a Sumatran orangutan. Check out my bright orange mop top. There's no such thing as a bad hair day for me. Hello, I'm Hoover, and I'm a tawny frogmouth. They call me a frogmouth because of my beak. I can open it really wide. Calling all bugs, it's dinner time. I'm Kai, and I'm a spotted hyena. Don't be fooled by my puppy dog good looks. We hyenas are more related to cats than to dogs. Mom says I'm perfect. My name is Amani, and I'm an aardvark. One day I'll grow into all this extra skin, but for now, I think wrinkles rule. Don't you? I'm Miracle Kitten, and I'm an ocelot. My teeth are starting to come in. Want to see? Ah! Hi, I'm Hassani. I'm a gorilla, and my name means handsome in Swahili. The zookeepers say my name suits me well. I think so too. Kali and Durga here. We're Bengal tiger twins. We look so much alike, sometimes people can't tell us apart. We bet you can. They call me Ruby, and I'm a kangaroo. What's a gal to do when her fur hasn't grown in yet? Snuggle into this warm and fuzzy blankie, that's what. I'm Tahina, and I'm a crowned sifaka. When I was born, my mom couldn't take care of me. So for now, the zookeepers do. They gave me this big teddy bear. So cuddly. My name is Monifa, and I'm a pygmy hippo. We pygmies are the smallest hippos around. But even though I'll always be little, I still have to eat these leafy greens, so I'll grow up strong. Good day. I'm Matari, a wombat. I come from Australia, where I love to dig in the dirt. Check out the built-in shovels on my paws. What do you get when you add a zebra's legs to a giraffe's body and then throw in a long blue tongue? Me. My name is Kalispell, and I'm an okapi. And I'm Bella, a beluga whale. As I get older, I'll turn all white like my mom and dad. But you know what will never change? My smile. And that, my loves, is the end of Zooborns. I want you to stop and think about which one of these animals might have been your favorite. How was it alike, or how was it different from the other animals that we read about today? I want you to write down.
Great job, friends. Now we're going to talk about this week's assignment. So you're going to see a paper that looks like this. You're going to type in your name and date. Then you're going to look at box A and box B, which is a frog and a lizard. Question number 1, you're going to type how they are different. Question 2, you're going to type how they are the same. Then you look down here. In box A, we have a rabbit, and in box B, we have a dog. You're going to type for question 1 how they are different, and question 2 how they are the same. Parents, I'm also going to upload a PDF if you feel more comfortable having your child print it out and write it instead of typing it into Google Classroom. All right, guys, we'll see you next week. Have a nice week.